Zyliss has been creating kitchen tools and gadgets since 1951 to meet the growing needs of consumers worldwide. At Zyliss.com, you can find anything and everything you need in the kitchen from prep to plate. In this video, we'll be shopping for the home chef by taking a look at 5 fantastic products. The first product we'll be taking a look at is the Comfort Chef's Knife. This 8-inch chef's knife features a high-quality Japanese stainless steel blade. The contoured handle design allows for maximum comfort and to suit any hand size and grip style. The non-slip grip handle provides control even with wet hands, and the ergonomic finger indent aids in cutting technique and control when slicing. A blade guard is also included for safe in-drawer storage and to protect the blade when not in use. This knife is dishwasher safe and comes with a 5-year Zyliss Guarantee. Up next is the 2-piece Ultimate Nonstick Fry Pan Value Set, which includes one 8-inch and one 11-inch fry pan. These pans have been designed to make everyday use a pleasure with their 100% non-stick guarantee. The 3-layer PFOA-free non-stick pans are reinforced with the ultimate ceramic coating, leading to great kitchen performance, allowing you to enjoy healthy cooking with no oil or butter needed. The soft-touch ergonomic handle on the pans is comfortable to hold while being durable and heat-resistant. These pans are perfect for induction, gas, and electric stovetops, and oven-safe up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. This set is both metal utensil and dishwasher safe, and comes with a 10-year non-stick guarantee. While you're cooking the entree, perhaps you'd like a nice salad to go along with it. The Easy Spin Salad Spinner has you covered with its newly improved ergonomic handle design for effortless pulling. This salad spinner dries and fluffs your salad. It features the retractable easy pull cord and innovative glide wheel motion, while the stop break button with quick braking action fluffs the salad. The non-slip base adds extra stability while in use, and the bowl doubles as a serving bowl with elegant see-through lid. The Easy Spin Salad Spinner has a dishwasher-safe bowl and a 5-year Zyliss Guarantee. Staying in the realm of easy pull kitchen tools, let's take a look at the Easy Pull Food Processor. This food processor is a versatile tool for chopping, prepping, blending, and pureeing ingredients. The high-grade serrated stainless steel blade creates perfectly uniform slices and julienne strips quickly and easily. The slide lever allows for easy adjustments of slicing thickness, and the julienne blade is ready for use with the push of a button. The wide slicing surface accommodates for larger produce. The angled ergonomic handle and non-slip feet adds to the ease of use, and the food holder protects your hands when slicing. The Easy Pull Food Processor is dishwasher safe and comes with a 5-year Zyliss Guarantee. And finally, you'll be telling all your guests to say when with the Restaurant Cheese Grater. This cheese grater is an NSF restaurant certified rotary cheese grater that meets the strict standards for public health protection. It's designed to work quickly and with little pressure. The drum handle folds into itself for compact storage, and the entire grater disassembles for fast and easy cleanup. The comfortable non-slip finish on the handle is present so you don't lose your grip, and the handle is suitable for left or right-handed use. The Restaurant Cheese Grater is dishwasher safe and comes with a 5-year Zyliss Guarantee. For more information or to purchase any of the items from this video, visit www.zyliss.com.